Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 2-family house for sale. It sits on 0.27 acres of land. It is located in the upscale community of Greenwood at the border of St. James and Trelawney. The property has a double-car garage and recessed lighting in the main section, which is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. There is also a self-contained 2-bedroom flat at the back with a few fruit trees and potential for excellent ocean views if another level is erected. It is less than 5 minutes to the beach and all major amenities in Greenwood. Falmouth is 7 minutes away. The Sangsters International Airport is 20 minutes and Fairview is less than 30 minutes away. Call, email, or WhatsApp agent to arrange viewing or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.